Okay, to solve for a missing side in a right triangle using trig, you are going to set up an equation using the ratio based on the given values. Okay, so if I know my angle here is 65 degrees, and I have the side x and the side 8. The side x is the adjacent side. It's the one right next to it. And the 8 is the longest side. That's our hypotenuse. So which trig ratio uses adjacent on a hypotenuse? That is cosine. So we're going to set up cosine of the angle, 65 degrees, equals adjacent over hypotenuse, which is x over 8. So now we're going to solve for x by just multiplying by 8, multiply by 8, and we're just going to put that in our calculator. So we're going to do 8 cosine of 65, and we get 3.38. So x equals 3.38. Okay, that's it. That's how you solve it. Sometimes it's a little bit more complicated. So let's look at this one. This one, the angle is 32 degrees, and I have the side that is opposite, and I have the side that is the hypotenuse. So again, set up your trig equation. You have opposite and hypotenuse. That is the sine ratio. So sine of 32 equals opposite, which is 14, over hypotenuse, which is x. Okay, so here you can do it a couple ways. I'm going to go ahead and multiply by x, multiply by x. So I get x sine of 32 equals 14, and then I'm going to divide by sine of 32, divide by sine of 32. So I'm going to put that in the calculator, and I get x equals 14 divided by sine of 32. And I get 26.42. Okay, and that's how you solve a right triangle with trig. Again, set it up based on the given values. The angle always goes right next to the trig function, and then the sides are going to be in a ratio based on what is given.